How to fix YouTube not supported on this device error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first and the most important fix for this issue is open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for YouTube and make sure the YouTube application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further, as this error appears mainly when you are using an old version. Also, go ahead and launch the settings application and tap on general and then on software update, and make sure that your iPhone is updated to its latest version too, as if your iPhone is not updated, then you might have app glitches. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then in general again tap on iPhone storage and then tap on the YouTube option you see there. Further, tap on the offload app option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application without deleting any app data. Next fix for this issue is go ahead and completely uninstall the YouTube application from your device. So on your home screen, tap hold on the YouTube option and then tap on remove app and then tap on delete app. Once deleted, reinstall the app and see if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then the last fix for this issue is to restart your device, as a fresh reboot resets all blocked services. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix YouTube not supported on this device error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.